Hello and welcome to Dartmoor again. Join me on the west side of the moors again. I'll give you a look round. I'm just below Coxtor, and over there you've got the Staple Tors and Rue Tor. Where I'm heading today, I'm heading up to White Tor and the Langstone moor up there. There's a hill fort on White Tor, so I'm going to go have a look at that. And there's a stone row and standing stone just to the east of there, so we're going to do that. So the route today is we're going to go up Coxtor, which is there. We're going to follow the route up to White Tor, and then we'll swing back via those tors, and then back to the car park. So yeah, but as you can see, it's a beautiful March day. It's actually quite cold actually, but it's quite nice. Last time I was out it was really hot and quite uncomfortable actually. So, I'm on the top of Coxtor now. We'll plug around. There's this nice cairn here. Yeah, there. Another one out there. Coxtor. In the distance there you can see Staple Tor, Little Staple Tor, Little Staple Tor, Staple Tor, Ruse Tor. In the distance is Great Mist. Over there is North Hesse with the aerial. That's my destination over there. In that direction. That's White Tor out there. That's where the hill fort is. And in the distance, Great Links, Arms Tor, and the Lid and Rattlebrook valleys. So that must be Linksborough Cairn out that way. Yeah. So yes, Coxtor. There's all these mad little bumps. I don't know if you can see them. I don't know if the camera's picking them up. Crazy. Yeah, it's all over the top of this. I wouldn't like to camp on these. Ooh. But yeah, so there you go, there's the cairn again. So yeah, Coxtor. So I'm going to be heading down into that valley. I'm going to follow that wall up and then take a left on White Tor. Stop up there for a bit, and then I'm going to come back, swing up over these tors, and then back to the car. Not a major one. I'm building my stamina. I'm trying to get back fit again, so just doing little walks. I'm going to do a big one soon. Feel the need to do an overnighter. It's really cold today, but it's really nice. You know, it's that nice nippy cold. Keeps you, gets all a bit bracy. Oh, that's better. You can probably hear me now. There you go. Bumps. There's another cairn over there. So I'm off in that direction, and I'll bring you back. I've got something to show you. Here's the other cairn. There's Coxtor. Yeah, so here's the other cairn. There's another one down there actually. There's quite a few here. Wind cairn. These hillsides are covered with these. A lot of them have been destroyed. I was reading a book yesterday about the standing stones up on the moors, and apparently there were some 25 footers up here, but farmers just smashed them down. But here you go, here's the cairn. There's another one on Coxtor. So they must have been pretty important to be buried up here, or loved, one of the two. Same thing really, I suppose. But I'm off in that direction. So, oh, it's a bit warm now, and I'm in the thing. This is the Collie Brook. That's White Tor up there. It's running down through here, through, what's this place called? Wed Lake. This is, and that's Cox Tor up there. That's the back of Rouge Tor up there, I think. With Staple Tor in the distance. So yeah, I've just come across this field. And this lovely little brook running through here. Lovely. And up there, that's White Tor up there. Loads of water. It's obviously been raining a lot lately. So yeah, it's a bit wet underfoot. But the obligatory boots and gaiter shot. Did it. And yeah. Because that's about 6-7 inches deep. Yeah, no problem. Well, here we are on top of White Tor. This is the hill fort here. As you can see, it must have been quite substantial when it was in its prime. There's plenty of this wall left actually. It looks like they used some of the natural rocks as part of the feature. But it goes all the way round, goes up there, comes all the way back round here. There's the Ministry of Defence flagpole up there. There's no firing today. I don't think there's any firing on any of the ranges. Yeah, as you can see, the wall comes round, goes up there. A large section there. So, as you can see here, it was quite a substantial wall. Cones. Part of the settlement it was here, who knows? Brought my tent, brought my tarp today. Tarp. Slightly different pitch. It's a bit windy today, so yeah. Camp. Yeah, I got that. I need to get a better cushion or something, but I brought my little ground sheet. That does for now, just sit on. I got my other camera doing a time lapse over there. That's doing Doe Tor, Red Mist. I wish I knew the name of the tours on the TV Cleave, but hey, that's doing their time lapse. I bought my little gas one today because, as you can see, got a nice little bit of shelter. Yeah, that's quite good. So, I've got lunch, so I'm going to crack on. And here we are at Langstone Cyst. A cyst is basically a box of stone, if that makes sense. They used to put remains in, either burnt or curled up. They normally have like another one here and a capstone, but whether this was the capstone, it could well be. They've obviously smashed their way in to get into it. People used to think there was gold and stuff in them, but you know, well, there you go. There's a cyst. And that's stone and stone. Langstone, obviously, not too small stone. foot, maybe 9. I'll give you a view of the landscape. There's White Tor, Great Mist Tor up there. The stone circle is straight out that way. Looks like there's a path out there. Follow that. Yep, so there you go. There's Langstone from Langstone Moor. Langstone stone circle. I do believe this has been restored. There is a painting of it. Something shows it much more substantial than it is. Feeling this is artillery practice. Says it already. Great Mist Tor in the distance there. Now, follow this path up to Boots Tor, Stable Tors. Again, basically. So I'm off down there in a minute. Take some pictures of this. There you go. Another stone circle ticked off the old list. Should actually make a note about it. I've actually visited. Find out the ones I haven't. See where I came from. Apparently, I missed the stone road. Apparently, there was a stone road just up from the standing stone. I don't know how I missed it. I just completely forgot all about it. Hold on, again. Yeah, there's the weather. So I'm going to poodle on and here we are on Great Staple Tor. There's Rue Tor in the distance there, and White Tor to the left. There's Cox's Tor over there. Williams Tor over there. Yeah. I like it when the weather's like this. It's all cloudy and moody and lovely. And Staple Tor. Yeah, quite a mad little series of tours actually. That's Great Staple Tor up there. So I think it's Little Staple Tor's next, and then basically back to the car park. So yeah, it's been a good day actually. Oh, I've blown some cobwebs for a fucking car. Oh. And there's the Staple Tors. Yeah, that was a nice circular actually. A few tours bagged. Bit of a stomp at 10k, not too bad. But I'm at the car park now. So from me and Dartmoor, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you soon.